Now let's hear some words of inspiration and message of welcome from the Vice President for External Affairs and Dean of the Graduate Studies and Research, Dr. Rosel Humberto G. Atienzo Jr. Let's give her a big round. Please, give her a big round.
Thank you very much, everyone. To the faculty members of the ETF and our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Imelda Millenas, students of the ETF program, magandang umaga po sa inyo. I have three major points to discuss with you. The first is, welcome to Inverga University. You have made the right choice, and because of that, we will care for you. Inverga University is a brilliant university. We have adopted that particular action slogan because we have to show the public that really we are an autonomous university. The university that cares to everyone. The mission of the founder is to provide educational opportunities for all. Now that we have the ETF program, we are catering to another set of beneficiaries or students who are in need to finish their collegiate course. So at that, we welcome you to the university. The second point is, I want to inform you that after finishing your India program, there is still a way through success. For MBA, the Master in Public Administration, and the NM, the Master in Management, with majors in Hospitality Management, Applied Marketing, Engineering Management. So, with those three programs, we have the thesis and non-thesis program. For the education, we have different specializations in the Master of Arts in Education, major in English, Filipino, School Administration, Guidance and Counseling. We are at present opening the non-thesis program in Master in Education. If still you want to proceed to the higher degree level, we have the Doctor of Education Executive Program and the Educational Management Program, the Doctor of Education major in Educational Management. So it is our hope that within this year, we will see you marching by March or April in your graduation day. So, the assessors and the faculty members of Inverga University will of course take care of your academic requirement so that you will be able to graduate by this school year. Congratulations. The third point that I want to discuss with you is that my office, the office of the Vice President for External Affairs, is in charge of social responsibility of the institution. In the course of your study, and one of the missions of the university is to conduct community outreach program You will be engaged in community activities wherein you will be able to exercise the specializations that you have or that you possess. So we are inviting you to participate in our community extension programs so that magiging mas masaya at magiging more lively ang community extension programs of the university, because the EDF students will be our partner in delivering development in our communities. So maybe in the next months to come, you will be invited to participate in some specific or particular community activities wherein you can exercise your expertise of your own land. I do hope that many will be participating in the social responsibility activity or fulfillment of the university. The motto of the university is for God and country, and with that we will be serving our country. Inverness University stands for education, empowerment, and excellence. And we will stand like it. We will care for you to become professionals and to reach higher goals that you have in mind. Thank you very much and good morning.
Thank you, sir, for giving them a words of welcome, challenging and inspiring thoughts as well.